These are instructions for using the translate feature inside of the website backend, in particular for Spanish and Vietnamese. So, and for example, let's go to maybe like the clergy and staff article. So I don't want to do that one. That might not be a very good one to use. Pastor's welcome message. First, I'm going to go to the article manager and find the pastor's welcome message. So I'm going to look for the word welcome to see what I can find. And there it is. We see it's in English and there's no Spanish or Vietnamese associations with this one. I do want to check inside this article under publishing to make sure the language is set to English here. And maybe by default now, it used to be that the default was all languages. Now maybe the default is English. So once I'm sure that's created and the contents like I want it in here, I don't know if this initial space is there on purpose. I'm going to close or save and close that article, making the changes I need to make. Back on the control panel, here when I click on Translate Articles, on this screen, I want to look for articles and I want to search for existing English articles. And now if I want to type in the word welcome here like I did in the article manager, I can find the pastor's welcome message. You see again, these are not associated yet. When I choose, I'm going to click on pastor's welcome to open it, and then it shows me that article on the left-hand side. To create the equivalent Spanish or Vietnamese one, my target is going to be that respective language. Give it a moment to operate, and then here I can either type in directly because I don't know language as well. I've been cheating, so to speak, and I realize that this isn't necessarily the best translation for a lot of what's being communicated on the site. But I've been going here, copying the text, pasting it into Google Translate from English to Spanish. And so maybe my article title becomes this, and then the body of my article would be the rest of this text. I guess there's one thing I could have copied. I guess I can copy reference to target, and that's going to copy all of the text. No, maybe. Yes, it is. I'm going to copy all the text from the left to the right. And now, since added the picture, I'm going to replace the text. I hope this doesn't remove the picture. I did not want to do that. I don't want to remove the picture, so I'm going to just remove some of the text. Okay. Once again, I still have that pasted. So here's my new text, or I can type that directly. My status needs to be published here at the bottom of the screen. But if I'm satisfied with this, this welcome, oh, I didn't keep my translated title. Let me go back and get that. When I pressed copy to target, it also replaced the title. My category is going to remain the same, and then this is just the Spanish. I'm going to save my target. I'm not going to save reference because I didn't make any changes to the reference on this screen, and then I'm going to close. So before, I should have clicked this before, I apologize. Prior to going through that translate process, this page was probably blank. So now it has the Spanish version of the article only is showing up, even though back inside the article manager, if I look under the search tools category, let's see, it's going to say Pastor's Welcome. It is showing me both variations in this category in the article manager, but only the one respective article in its respective language is showing up here. So hopefully that's helpful. And if you need to watch this video multiple times to get a better idea, that's great. That's what it's for. Thanks for watching.